Good evening, sir. My name is Harshvardhan. I have created a sign up and a login form through HTML. Here is my sign up form. In this sign up form, I have used get method in the form and an action called sign up submit. Once I will show you my sign up form through live server. Here is my sign up form. Similarly, I have created a login form, and this login form also I have used get method and action login submit. These details will be stored in the database. Now I will show you my database. Here is the database I have created in the Firebase account. In that Firebase account, I have created a collection called sign up collection. The data will be stored in that sign up collection. Now I will show you my index.js file. Here is my index.js file. Before going to that index.js file, I have created a folder called login public, and I have placed my login HTML code and sign up HTML code in that folder, so I can access those files through the public file. Firstly, I will explain the my index.js file. Here I have used the syntax of the express and the Firebase admin. Firstly, I have initialized the key which I have downloaded from the Firebase admin. Here I used db to get the file store. Firstly, I have created a route called signup route. So it will go to the signup.html page. Here I have used signup submit form, which is the action for the submit signup HTML. So while I click the submit button in that signup form, this action will be taken. That means the username, the email, and the password will be stored in that collection called signup collection in the Firebase database. So the data will be stored in that database, and it will give a message called sign up successful. Here I have used the here I have used the login submit action, which is the action for the login form. Here is that action login submit. Here I use it that login submit action. If the database contains the email and the password of the unique ID, it will give a message called successful. Otherwise, it will give a message called failed. That means if the database contains a unique unique ID which has a email and password, that data will be that the doc size will be greater than 0. So it will give 1. Otherwise, it will give 0. That means it will give fail. Once I will open the local host. First, I will open sign up page, whether the data is stored in the database or not. If I didn't run the live server. Once wait. Here I run the server. Here is my sign up form. Now I will enter the details. Here I give password 123 and I will submit. Here the sign up was successful. Now I will see the database. Yes, here the data is stored. I gave the email, name and password. The data is stored here. Now I will open my login form, whether it is retrieving the data or not. Here is my login form. I will enter the same details. Here it is shown successful, and in my server it is shown 1 because the data is correct. If I entered wrong data, that means I am giving wrong password. It is giving fail, and in my server it is giving 0. The data is stored in the database successfully.